See? I am wheezing and I can't stop. That's why I can't go to sleep. Because it's really difficult. Why can't I just put fucking light on? Hang on. I'll put a light on. You can't see a fucking thing. Silly cow. Hang on. Don't worry. I just got to find a light. Hang on. See, it's really difficult to go to sleep. If you're wheezing. It's so stupid. I've taken all my inhalers and I'm still wheezing. It's lucky I'm in such a good mood about it. And it's just really irritating. That's the reason I can't sleep. Because generally if you hear noises when you're asleep, it's quite difficult to sleep. I just thought I'd share. No need to thank me.